man, I just keep on thinking. I don't even know what to think, man. At the end, what's gonna really go down? Who's really gonna be down with a clown? Is she gonna be here? Probably not. I frown all night on this shit. I think about it all day, and still yet this bitch just came back. So fuck it, bet. I'm gonna have to do this shit on my own, I guess. Man, I might as well be a vet. All this pain I done felt inside. Fuck this. I'm gonna have to hide from this one. Mathematics, this bitch right here has got me going so fucking gone, and I've had it. That's the true shit. World, worst, truest, though.
Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright.
Yeah, man, it's true mathematics. Man, fuck this girl and fuck these dope addicts. I can't keep living this way, man. This shit is bullshit. I'm mad at it. I'm mad at her. Man, I'm mad at myself. Worse than her. What's going on? What's going down? I'm going down.
Now hush, little baby, don't you cry.
Yeah.
Everything's gonna be alright. Now hush,
True.
little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright.
Man, I just don't know what to do. Sometimes I think it's just the world not being true. Or maybe it's just this girl not being true. God, what? I'm stuttering. What do I do? I don't know, man. Somebody please give me a clue. This music's the only thing I can seem to understand now. True. Mathematics, man. I'm coming. My mama's always telling me not to worry about a thing. They're all frontin'. They really ain't gonna do nothing. But, man, I swear inside these bitches getting me down so hard. I got this fucking crack pipe spinning around so fast. I got my little dumbass going off track. I fucked it all up. I'm gonna go again, might as well. Hell.